Is your Honda motorbike due for some essential maintenance? Don't overlook the important spare parts that need to be replaced based on kilometers. Here's a quick guide to help you to keep your bike running smoothly. 1. Engine oil. Regularly check your engine oil and change the oil every 2,000, 4,000 kilometers to keep your engine in top condition. 2. Spark plugs. Don't forget to replace them. Replace every 10,000, 15,000 kilometers to maintain optimal combustion. 3. Air filter. Change it every 10,000 kilometers to maintain engine performance and protect your engine from dust and debris. 4. Cooling fluid. Don't forget to replace your cooling fluid. Replace every 20,000 kilometers to maintain the engine cooling system and keep your engine running efficiently. Brake pads and brake fluid. Check and replace when you reach 20,000, 25,000 kilometers, depending on your riding conditions. To ensure your safety on the road, stay on top of your Honda motorbike's maintenance schedule by replacing these vital spare parts based on kilometers. Thanks for watching. I hope it's useful.